this lesson, we will study what's meant by force, fundamental forces in nature, for examples, gravitational forces, electromagnetic forces, and nuclear forces. الليسن بتاعنا هندرسه إن شاء الله على 3 parts. أول part النهاردة إن شاء الله نتكلم عن definition بتاع الفورس and fundamental forces nature. What's meant by force? Force, it is the change of object's state from a state to another state. It is action. Okay, so it will change from static state to motion state, or from motion state to static state. Motion state equal movement, static state equal rest. Or at temperature 2, it changes direction of motion. To understand it, we will take examples. First, we will start when the force it changes from static state to motion state. For example, when the player kick a ball, it changes from static state to movement to motion state. It is a force. Also, when the man try to push a ball or push a big rocks from place to another place, okay, so it will change it from a static state to motion state. It is a force. Another examples, like goalkeeper try to stop the ball, try to stop the motion, to changes it from motion state to static state, so it is a force. Also, when you try to kick a ball, you maybe changes its direction, so it is a force. So force, it changes the direction of motion. How? What will happen when a force acting on a movement object like this bicycle? It already in movement, so the speed of the moving object will increase. Fundamental forces in nature، في forces كتيرة موجودة في حياتنا. أول type منها هي fundamental forces in nature، اللي هي من عند ربنا، الإنسان ملوش أي دخل فيها. For example, lightning and thunder. Lightning and thunder اللي هو البرق والرعد زي ما واضح من البيكتشر قدامنا. Number 2, wind motion. Gravitational force to earth. إن شاء الله دي هناخدها بالتفصيل. Like the apple when it falls down to the earth on earth. Attraction iron to magnet. We can see the piece of iron attracts to magnet, or glass attract to magnet. There are forces causing technological application, like nuclear explosions. Nuclear explosions ده هو الانفجار النووي. It has bad effect and great bad effect. ممكن نعمل بحث على هيروشيما، الانفجار النووي بتاع هيروشيما وناجازاكي في اليابان، والآثار بتاعته السيئة كتيرة قوي اللي كانت على الأرض لمدة طويلة. For examples, nuclear reactor. Okay, what's meant by nuclear reactor? Nuclear reactor is a device used to get nuclear forces, and we use it to get a big amount of electricity. Okay, so what is the measuring unit of force? How can I measure the force? The measuring unit of force is Newton, and when we write it, we write the Newton in big letter. Okay, now you can answer, give reason. The book on the table remains static as long as no one moves it, because there is no force acting on it. Another one, the static ball moves when you kick it with your foot. and stops when your goalkeeper catches it. Yes, because force acts on object and it changes from static state to motion state or from motion state to static state. كده خلصنا البارت ده من الليسون. مطلوب من حضرتك دلوقتي تعملي research paper in one paper عن ال uses of nuclear reactor, عن ال what's meant by nuclear explosions. خدي الإكزامبل بتاع هيروشيما وناجازاكي واللي حصل فيها في اليابان لسنين طويلة أثرت على العالم كله. هتبعتي حضرتك البيبر دي في attachment في الكومنت بتاع العرض ده. أي تواصل أو أي استفسار أو أي حاجة عن اللسن أو البارت ده إن شاء الله هكون معاكم على الجروب بتاع الكلاس على الواتساب. Thank you.